in the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long, long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. The early morning rain, with no place to go. Out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm stuck here in the grass with the pain that ever grows. Now the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. Now there she goes, my friend, she's a-rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound, above the clouds she will fly, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun it always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, as cold and drunk as I can be. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain.